like a little tiny small packet of. Ooh, here's our little. Ooh, our.
Ooh, it's like a little nugget box.
Yeah. So let's start right here.
Oh, what did you get?
A little unicorn thingy.
Show the camera. Cute. Oh, let's see. Oh my.
Ooh,
It's got some bones.
some unicorn sparkles. Some tiny unicorn shimmer sparkles.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see which little pooch is in this one. I think there's a little cup to go with this. I think
Maggie.
I think this is the little cup.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll get that. Now let's see what's inside. I think it's like a little cup for using cups of water and putting it to make slime.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not very sure. It is a cup for cups of water. Ooh,
Okay, that's a measuring cup.
a measuring cup, right?
Okay.
Now let's see what's in this. Oh, it's the biggest one. And that's it. I can get out. Ooh, that was a little bit hard to get out. Let's see what's in here. Now I'm just gonna like cut right down here. And then, ooh.
Oh, what is that?
Uh-huh.
Is it like a Sour Patch Kids candy wrapper? But it says Sour Poop Friends. Okay.
Okay.
What is that?
Let's find out. I'm not so sure about this. I cut it from the top like that. Ooh, cover itself.
Do you want me to cut that one?
No thanks.
All right, you got it.
Woohoo!
Is that slime?
No.
Oh, it's your spoon.
Yes, I get to put it together. I didn't know I get to put it together. There. Look at my spoon. I get to make some slime.
So this one is unicorn food. That's your surprise scent. That's some unicorn magic. And another unicorn food. So we get to make 2 slimes with this. Do you want to look at this thing?
No thanks.
No? Okay. I'm going to stop our video now.
What